Stop. Before you buy that used Windows laptop, whether it's a Dell, an HP, or Lenovo, you need to know the truth about its battery. The seller won't tell you the real health, but Windows itself will. I'm going to show you the one line of code to type into the command prompt that instantly generates a hidden HTML report. This report reveals the exact design capacity versus the current capacity, proving that battery is an 80% powerhouse or a 30% dud. Let's run the command and save you some serious money. Step 1. Press Windows plus R and type CMD, then hit enter. In the command prompt window, type the following command, power cfg/battery report, and hit enter. Close the command prompt window. Open File Explorer. Navigate to folder path you saw in the command prompt, e.g. c:\users\yourname\. Double-click the file named batteryreport.html to open it in your web browser or any file viewer of your choice. Scroll down to the section titled Install Batteries. The two most important numbers are design capacity, the original maximum capacity of the battery when it was brand new, full charge capacity, the battery's current maximum capacity today. To get your battery health, battery health percentage equals design capacity divided by full charge capacity times 100. It gives you your battery health. If the result is 80% or lower, the battery is considered degraded and you will need to replace it soon. This is your cue to walk away or negotiate a major discount. From 80% to 100% is okay. In my own case, my battery health is 79.93%, so that means I will be needing to replace it soon. Disclaimer: the methods shown using the command prompt are for informational purposes only. While this report gives you the raw, manufacturer-level data on battery health, it does not guarantee the replacement battery you buy will be high quality. Always look for batteries with proper safety certifications, like CE or UL, and a minimum 1-year warranty from a reputable seller. If a laptop battery ever looks swollen or physically bulging, stop using it immediately and have it replaced by a professional, as it poses a safety risk. If this quick CMD trick saved you from buying a bad laptop, please hit that like button. It helps the channel a ton. And if you want more quick tech tips and hidden commands, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching.